this week's special episode. We're at the castle! We're at the castle!
See the world and just show them what it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden.
We're here!
They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow.
Let's go fly some drones. Alright, we've got the track.
Pilot 1, 117.0.
I think you just don't care. But when you touch my hand, oh baby, it's not fair.
So, this is my first battery of the day. Just practicing, just getting to know the track, make sure my quad's working. Here's my quad. How the hell did I do that? Oh god, oh there's nettles, no, it's not good. I'm having fun though. My times, I can hear it, like when I'm flying, I'm pilot 3. I'm hitting 28.9, 28.6, 29.3. I'm getting fast. There is a dude here though that's like doing 19 seconds. It's ridiculous. But yeah, this is super fun. I fucking love this. Just need to get better. I need more practice. Oh god, I was flying somebody else's drone. What's going on? Oh, you're all dirty. At least I wasn't the only one who crashed out.
Jungle, man.
How are you meant to turtle out of this stuff, man? How are you meant to do that? This is... Oh.
Need a tripod?
Yeah. Do you know what we just have to walk back and forwards a little bit under this gate? subscribe, like, comment, share. Go to that Patreon. I never want to work a day again. I want to do this, please.
Let's ride.